What's going on, you guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital. We are here live for 2:30. Let me just post a link to our social media. We'll get straight into your afternoon market recap. There's two things wrong today. That's why we weren't live. And I'll tell you guys about that in 1 second. The first thing being there was a ton of noise outside, so it was pointless for me to stream. And I also had a migraine. I had a really bad headache, so. How's everybody doing today? Give me 2 seconds to post this on our social media, and then we'll get straight to our market recap. Good afternoon.
I remember.
Whoops, don't forget to smash that like button. What's up, man? We're seeing a bounce for body and mind. The markets are actually having a nice green day today. It's good to see. All right, so just got to post this real quick. Put some tags in there. Oh, TLRY is running like crazy. There we go. Twitter. Stock twits. And I believe that's it. Oh, Discord. Yeah, that's right. Our Discord group. Then we'll get straight to business. General. There we go. And day trading. Perfect. All right, cool. Perfect. So let's see what we got for the cannabis sector. Next song. Stop running. Canagro and TLRY. TLRY is, we're going to have the updates for TLRY in just 2 seconds. Can we start trading? Thanks for the info. No problem. TLRY is up 12% today. International Cannabis having a green day. Chronos up 7.5%. Body and Mind's having a nice day today. Body and Mind's finally bouncing. I'm looking to potentially take profits on this quick little swing trade that I did on Body and Mind. It was at $1.56 not too long ago. Now we pulled back a little bit, so hopefully Body and Mind can close at the highest level of the day, because I might actually end up taking some profits on that one. It's a quick little 10% trade, which is not too bad. Not too sure what I'm going to buy after that. Alkaline Water having a good day at 4.65%. We put out that article on Alkaline Water. You guys can check it out. What else we got here? Australia's Capital in the green. 360 risk at 28 cents. That's another company that I just want to hold long term. MedMen having another green day, back to almost $3. That's what I was trying to say. What else we got here? Biggest loser on the day, Boss or Yield Growth Corp. This stock's been tanking. I haven't checked in on Yield Growth for a while, but this stock is at its lowest level it's been in quite some time. 52-week low of 16.5 cents. 52-week high of 90 cents though, so hard to say for this one. Hard to say where we're going to find some support. We'll be keeping our eyes on Boss. What's happening to Cureleaf? Let's take a look. What is happening to Cureleaf? I still have a little bit more news to go. Let's just finish that real quick, and then we'll be right on our way. But let me put that on. Let's put that on the list of stuff to take a look at. So quick little article. Wall Street rallies on Mexico relief. M&A cheer. Wall Street's main index is gained on Monday after the U.S. abandoned its plans to impose tariffs on Mexican goods, while the multi-billion-dollar deal in the industrial space added to the upbeat sentiment. Let's see what the M&A was. U.S. automaker, which have long built vehicles in Mexico. GM gaining 2.1%. United Technologies agreed to combine its aerospace business with defense contractor Raytheon to create a new company worth $121 billion. Cool. So big M&A. That's driving the markets. TLRY shares jump on deal with biggest shareholder. Let's see what we got here. Steve. Never mind. TLRY's stock soared after it signed a deal to merge with its largest shareholder, while also putting limits on the release of resulting new shares in the Canadian cannabis company for 2 years. Under the agreement, U.S. private equity firm Privateer Holdings will become a subsidiary of the Canadian cannabis company. However, new TLRY shares distributed as a result of the merger would subject to lockup, allowing their release only under certain circumstances, the pot firm said. Oh man. Say something that is useful or just don't talk. It's not worth my time. Anyways, I want to look at a few other portfolios. Body and Mind up to 5.59%. Alkaline Water having a good day. Extendicare, third biggest gainer in our new portfolio, and CanTrust also having a good day. Tilt Holdings though down 5.52%. See ya. Okay. Is ACB a buy? That's a great question. Let's take a look at ACB. ACB is up 3.75%, back up to 1050, but I wouldn't necessarily say ACB is a buy right now. ACB at 1050. No, I think it's too expensive. I'm not looking to add to ACB until it drops to 950. Cureleaf is killing me. Okay, so let's take a look at Cureleaf. I mean, it's just down 4% today. That's just my opinion, though, Lance. Remember, don't buy or sell just because I said so. Personally, I'm not going to add any more to ACB until it drops to 950 or less. But we'll see what happens. Thinking there will be a breakout on MRMD after the short squeeze. All right, let's take a look at MRMD for you. Sitting at 276 US. All right. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get a bounce soon. Hopefully a short. You said it's short squeeze. Excuse me. We'll see what happens. Chart looks pretty good. What else about the company though? $586 million market cap. Curaleaf has been dropping like a rock the past week. All right, let's just take a quick look at that. I do think Curaleaf's a great play on the U.S. market. What'd you buy at, Jack? You know what? Curaleaf's looking pretty nice right now. It's down off of 15 bucks. Down about 30%. Might be one to take a look at. That's still pretty good though. 726, so you must have bought somewhere late 2018. I know it sucks when you see those gains disappear. I wanted to add Kira to my portfolio, but it was too expensive at 15. But now it's looking a lot better. I mean, I'd personally wait a bit. So I might wait until it drops to like, if it keeps dropping, looks like it could keep dropping. Looks like it's in a downtrend. I hate to say it. Yeah, I'd look somewhere in the mid $8 range. Hopefully it doesn't drop that low though for you, but if it does, I'll probably add some. But anyways, guys, we're seeing ACB up to 1050. TLRY is one of the biggest gainers on the day though today. TLRY shares soared as high as 47 on the NASDAQ after the announcement, up roughly 22%. Shares were trading at 46.39. We appreciate the long-term confidence that Pioneer has in the TLRY business. We believe this transaction will give TLRY greater control and operating flexibility while allowing us to effectively manage our public float. TLRY's Chief Financial Officer, Mark, in a statement said on Monday. Privateer, backed by venture capital Peter Thiel, holds 75 million shares on roughly 77% stake in the BC-based company. Damn. 77%. That's crazy. Gonna have to call Nelson Peltz to tank this stock for us down to 950. That'd be great. Okay, let's take a look at a few other portfolios. Sorry, I was too distracted. All right, so top 3 stocks for June. First, Quantum Minerals continues to run. Alibaba is actually dipping its head into the green now, and Fortuna Silver is declining 4.39% today. So Fortuna is having a really rough day today. Sorry. Is Fortuna down 4.3%? Yeah, Fortuna is down 4.3% today. Wow, so the portfolio overall is up 1%. So those top 3 stocks for June, as we'll be tracking those. And what else we got here? Okay. So yeah, TLRY is the biggest gainer on the day. Copper's having a pretty good day today. Turquoise Hill though, back down to $1.50. Man, that's one I'm gonna be looking at too. Just Energy continuing its crazy run, up another 4%. Extendicare up 2.68%. Brookfield Renewable Energy, Chartwell Retirement Residences. There's one stock that's selling off, Brookfield Property Partners. This is a stock that I'm probably going to be adding to today. I like the sell-off we've been getting in it. The utility co's are definitely feeling it today. Northwest Healthcare Properties down to $11.98. I think I'm going to be adding to these ones today. Can't wait. BFF is looking to run. House bill in Texas is supposed to be signed by governor soon. Big CBD, hemp, cannabis, and vegetable. All right. VFF. Yeah, we'll take a look at VFF. We'll replace TLRY with VFF. Perfect. Just a few more things I want to look at. Oil and gas. Oil and gas not having a good day today. Meg Energy up 2%. Baytex Energy down 2.68%, back down to $2. We'll see if our oil swing trade can make any money. But here's our broader oil portfolio. Precision Drilling is looking really cheap too. Precision Drilling is looking super cheap. Last portfolio I want to take a look at is our PM miners. Wow. First Mining Gold down to 23.5 cents. Endeavor Silver down 5%. Yamana Gold down 4%. Fortuna down 4%. Gold is really taking it today. We're going to pull up commodities real quick here. Okay, guys, so basically I'm going to go through the commodities, all those different stocks that I'm looking at, and then you guys can tell me whatever you want to look at. So gold's down over 1% to 13.31. Silver's down 2.35% today, backing off 35 cents an ounce, and crude is down 1.28%. And I'm going to assume the US dollar, yeah, the US dollar is having a run. All right, so AMD. Kronos is doing good also. Yep. So AMD, I'll pull up AMD there for you. US dollar's done. All right, so first stock we're looking at, Precision Drilling. This is another company that's just tanked from $4 down to $2.30. I think Precision Drilling is going to run into some support real soon. This is like the lowest it's been. This is the lowest the company's been, let's see, ever? Almost. We're looking to run into some really heavy support around $2 back in 1994. This stock is so cheap. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Kronos. So 52-week low of 225. We're at 234 right now. So Precision Drilling, one to look at. First Mining Gold down now it's only down 2%. First Mining Gold's looking to hopefully find some support in the low 20s. I kind of want to add this one to our portfolio. Holy smokes. I mean, could drop to 22 cents, 23 cents, but this one looks like a great deal right now. Same with Turquoise Hill Resources. Turquoise Hill Resources down to $1.58. Now don't forget, this is a copper miner with exposure to Mongolia, so could be a while before this stock turns around, but I think it's definitely on sale. We're just looking at all the value, all the cheap stocks right now, all the cheap stocks that I follow every day. I have 101 shares of Aurora at $8.93. Good stuff. You're still in the green. All right, what else we got here? Just Energy up 4.05%. Man. This thing just keeps running from 430 to 560. Fresh 52-week highs for Just Energy. And it still pays a monster 9.4% dividend. Extendicare up 2.86%. Retirement homes continuing to run. That's exactly what I like to see. Okay, so that's it for that one. Brookfield Property Partners. I'm definitely going to be buying more of this today. The yield's back to almost 7%. And a 52-week range of 2041 to 2840. As it keeps dropping, I'll just keep buying Brookfield Property Partners if it keeps dropping. This is one of my favorite REITs. Northwest Healthcare Properties as well at $12. It's a little expensive, but I want to start a position in this one as well. Yielding almost 7%. And Fortuna looking good. So cheap. So cheap. Extended care tilts. Let's get tilt out of the way. Tilts up, tilts down to $1.40. Tilt has not been doing too much recently. 360 risk. We already covered that. MedMen, we already covered that. It's over $3 now. MedMen's made a pretty nice bounce off 250. VFF. All right, so now we're getting into whatever you guys want to talk about. VFF. Chart's looking pretty stable, to be honest. Looks to be consistently making higher lows. Looks like it's going to keep moving up now. VFF's a pretty good company. Another one I want to look at is CRON Life Sciences. I haven't looked at CRON in a while. ECA. Aaron, don't trust those Mongolian peasants with your money. Yeah, I never said that, but it is a riskier stock, Turquoise Hill. That's why it's so cheap. VFF's an exciting stock. Yes, it is. CRON Life Sciences making a mild bounce today. So there we go, guys. We're gonna get that noise. I don't know how much noise you can actually hear, but my apologies. What time's it right now, anyways? How long have we been live for? 22 minutes. It's all good. AMD's up 3.49%. AMD keeps running. Almost fresh 52-week highs. All-time highs. Just about. This stock saw 52-week highs right before the market tanked. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys want to take a look at anything else before I go and make some trades. Wow, this noise is so exciting. This great CEO making moves at the CBD. What's your opinion on Aurora? Oh, sorry, there was 2 more requests, right? That was ECA. Man, I'm super neutral on the oil sector right now. There's lots of cheap stocks, but the problem is I don't know when they're going to recover. Still hold on to some ECA around $9 or $10, I think, but it's been such a horrible performing sector, the Canadian oil sector especially. I'm just holding. All right, so Dario Castillo. Aurora's a hold. Aurora's a long-term hold. That's all it is for me. If it drops below 950, I'll start to buy some. But for now, 1050, not just a hold. Oh, NBEV stock. Haven't looked at NBEV in a while. NBEV up 2.99% to 466. Let's see. NBEV has pulled back a little bit. My only concern is the stock's been making lower lows. So is this just a short-term bounce before we go to like below 4? Looks like it's trending down. Let's see what the general... Yeah, it's a tough one. It's a neutral, but the moving averages say it's a buy. The technical indicators say it's a sell. I don't know what to say. I'm bullish on the CBD beverage market, but I'd rather own Alkaline Water Company, which I do. Which I do have Alkaline Water Company and no NBEV. But I think Alkaline Water hopefully is going to start to recover. It's done a bit of consolidating right around $2, so hopefully we can catch a bounce. Anyways, guys, OKTA. That's the last one I'm looking at. A good long-term stock. What is this one? Okta. Cloud platform provides identity management solutions. I don't know much about this company. For long-term companies, I like ones that pay dividends. The stock looks really expensive. Sorry to say, man, I wouldn't be buying it at 52-week highs. I don't like to get in at 52-week highs. That's just my opinion. But anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in. I'm going to cut this stream short, and I'm going to record a market recap with all your news in there. So tomorrow we'll be live at 10 a.m. Hopefully there's going to be no more annoying noise. So we're out of here for now. I'll be putting another video on the channel. We'll see you guys.